Omokonyi w'omuraio munene w'ikiama gia Jubilee umusikie Daktari Fred Matiang'i nigabiriga komochia eserikali kubwatikana ne chiburaburu echabete chikoenekiwa ase kanisa yemo imeye bunge ya Othaya ase omusangiririkano oyo obete ko gwikiranwa noyo kabeire omokonyi w'omurai wense ya Kenya Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua kurengana nere niga koerana gotebuna eserikali nige bwenderete gukora obutuki bwaime na koenekibuna egetambukire getindi kieli chiko inge chikwemokiwa gocha sebonsi abo baratoke na mamocho.
If it comes to a point where it has expired in your case, you don't have to beat innocent children and women about it. Go say sasa vile imekuwa iko namna hii, kutakuwa na siku ingine. That is how life is, and that's how we become a mature country. But we shouldn't go the way that happened yesterday. Very, very shameful. And we have seen this again and again and again. The level of arrogance that you see, goons, armed people, moving around. And then, for me, no one will tell me, will give me lectures about, we didn't know what was happening. A leader, a national leader of Gachagua's stature, when they move to a particular place and they're going to have a function in a particular place, the county security team knows. The National Intelligence Service officers in that area knew that there was going to be a meeting that day. How can you tell me that they did not know there was a plan to disrupt the meeting? So this pretense and so on, okay, it will be tested. They have said it, they have all vowed action, including the Inspector General. Let's give them the benefit of doubt and wait for the action.